installation today, all you need is your camera, smartphone or tablet, laptop, whichever one is needed, and Wi-Fi connection. Okay, let's unbox the camera. Plug the camera in to the back. Red light blinking means that it's booting. Once it's booted, hold the reset button until the light flashes white, indicating that you're in WPS mode. Swipe down, go connect to the camera via your Wi-Fi. Search for the alarm with the MAC address, connect to it. Once you connect to it, it should say connected with limited or no internet. That's fine, don't worry about that. Open your browser, go to 522 install or check the manual for the address you should connect to. Scan for your Wi-Fi. Once it comes up, select which Wi-Fi you want to use. Enter password, click save, and then that's it. Once you click save, the camera will reboot, start to flash green. Once you have a solid green light, which indicates that you are connected to your network and getting internet. When you're done,